I'm just getting the bags packed up to go for a bash with Gusty Bang Bang with the XRT and the X-Max. Something showed up in the mail and you'll never guess what it is. Some goodies, some M2C Arrma goodies. That's right, guys. We're going to be doing a jackhammer build on, you guessed it, Traxxas Sledge right there. I know you've seen a few of these on YouTube so far, but we're going to be doing our own build on this thing. So we picked up a chassis. Obviously it comes with the shock towers, chassis brace, all the goodies in there. We have some extended axles. We have power HD servo we're going to be throwing in because that's all I have right now. Some body mounts, some heavy duty tie bar braces, M2C servo mount. We have some M2C Delrin shock pistons. I have some M2C Racing springs coming. They should be here tomorrow. We have some DeBoot backflip tires over there that showed up yesterday. We have some hinge pins, some strong hinge pins, which are a must. Body mount stuff, more body mount stuff. Reverse motor mount, receiver box, and some more body mount stuff. So we're going to be running it with the 1650 kV Hobbywing motor, and I believe I'm going to be doing a 2246 to start for pinion. I'm just running regular Mod 1 gears on it so far. So super excited to do this build, guys.
Holy shit. That's fun. Gotta get more speed. Got a lot of power going to the back end. You got one up top? guys? Timisupercrash here. We're out with the Traxxas M2C Jackhammer. This is our second day out with it. We're just playing around with some pinion sizes. I've been swapping back and forth between the 20 and the 22 tooth pinion and a 46 spur. Running the 1650 kV Hobbywing motor, Max 6 ESC, Power HD servo. We're running the M2C shock pistons with VG Racing springs, Vitavon front bulkhead, and just a no-name cheapy aluminum rear bulkhead. The cheapy came in first. I actually want to run the Vitavon in the rear and the cheap one in the front, but we just did it the other way just because it, you know, what showed up first. We're running the Arrma battery tray, and right now I have on the debut backflip 6S. I have been swapping back and forth between the Pro line 3.8s, but I'm liking the debuts a little better for this setup. It's a little loose in the back end. I'm playing around with the traction control on the remote, but I think I got to adjust the diff oils a little bit just because it is a little bit haywire in the back end. But she's holding together pretty good. She drives pretty clean. She's getting a little hot with the 22 gearing, and a little bit under powered in the air with the 20 tooth pinion. So I think the sweet spot for this build is going to be a 21 tooth pinion, which I have showing up in a day or two. We'll swap that in, but I think that's going to be the sweet spot. So we're going to give it a run today, give it a little bit of a shakedown, and see what she can do. Try to get some airs. I couldn't line up for the ramp just because she was so loose in the back end. The first day we had it out, it was just so haywire and squirrely. Hopefully we do a little better today. And then also I think we got the XRT dialed in pretty good as well, so we're going to give that a couple of hits today too. So stay tuned. Timisupercrash. We got Bandit and Baby Supercrash out with us. Beautiful day. A little bit of rain in the forecast, but that's okay because we need it. All right. Peace out. A little straighter today, but she's still loose in the back end. See if we get lined up for this jump. Something a little better in there. I guess we should have checked the batteries on that one. Supercrash, baby. Hell yeah. Oh!